Hey everyone, have you ever dreamed of packing your bags, moving to another country, and wait for it, getting paid to do so? Yes, you heard that right. Today, I'm going to let you in on some countries that will actually pay you to move there. First up is Alaska, USA. While not a country, this state offers the permanent fund dividend, which is essentially a yearly payment to residents who live there full-time and intend to stay indefinitely. In 2022, this dividend was about $3,284. Not too shabby for enjoying those stunning northern lights and vast wilderness, right? Next, let's jet over to Italy, specifically the region of Molise. This charming area offers newcomers over $700 a month for 3 years if they move to a village with fewer than 2,000 residents. The catch? You must start a business there. Imagine sipping espresso while running your own little Italian cafe or boutique. Heading north, we land in Ireland. Through their rural renewal scheme, Ireland encourages people to move to certain rural areas. Benefits can include tax incentives and grants for renovating properties. If you've ever wanted to wake up to the sight of lush green fields and ancient castles, this might be your chance. And we can't talk about this topic without mentioning Chile. Chile's Startup Chile program offers up to $80,000 in equity-free funding for entrepreneurs willing to start their businesses in Chile. Plus, the vibrant culture and stunning landscapes are an added bonus. Lastly, let's talk about New Zealand. In efforts to boost their regional economies, certain areas offer financial incentives to skilled workers willing to relocate. This includes contributions to relocation costs and help with the job search. Imagine living in the land of the Lord of the Rings and getting financial help to move there. So, if you're feeling adventurous and looking for a change, why not consider these options? Countries that pay you to move there are not just a dream. They're a reality that could very well be your next big adventure. Until next time, keep exploring and dreaming big.